Hello, I'm so excited that you decided to do your collaboration using the discussion group. So let's walk you through what you need to do. All right, the first part is very easy. You need to find the discussion group. So click on the hamburger here, or those 3 lines on that top black bar, and then click on discussion groups. Okay, once you've done that, you need to decide which semester or segment that you need to do the collaboration for. Remember, segment 1 is your first modules 1 through 4. Segment 2 is going to be 5 through 8. So if you're in 1 through 4, you're going to choose this segment 1. So you basically click right on here, and what happens is you come up to a page that looks like this. You want to find your teacher, which for in this instance would be Miss Klingbeil, and then you were going to click on Become a Pythagorean Master. Now, if you were doing this for the second semester, you obviously would click on the second semester, but because we're pretending we're in the first semester, we're going to click on Become a Pythagorean Master. Okay, once you've done that, you are going to be asked to basically follow this message. So here is your problem. You are to create a real-world problem using the Pythagorean theorem and post your word problem in the discussion area. Respond to another student's post, including the theorem, your work, and the solution. So this problem pops up, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to reply to this message with your own real-world problem. So come down here, click on this, and this is what's going to pop up. Now you may have, depending on your course, you may have a subject that you need to put in here. So feel free to subject however you want. So maybe computer crisis, and then I basically typed up my problem right in here. You're more than welcome to type it up on a Word document and copy and paste. It is completely up to you. I double check and spell check it, and then click the reply. Okay, so basically what this does is it replied to your teacher's post, which is fantastic and the first part of your discussion group collaboration. So before you go anywhere else, copy and paste what you have either into your S1 or S2 collaboration reflection, or copy it into a Word or Notepad so that you make sure that you have it for later. I don't want you to lose it and you can't go back and get it. All right, so what I did was I actually had the S1 collaboration reflection open as I was doing it. So I copied and I pasted it right here in the student comment section. All right, now going back to the other part, you're going to see something that says the following replies have been posted. This is obviously what you are going to copy and paste. After you have done that, you need to reply, which is part 2 of your discussion collaboration. So make sure that you go to the message viewing and click on Roundtable. Click the down arrow to find that, and then make it your default viewing and hit go. Okay, after you do that, you're going to come up with a long list of people here on the left-hand side, and you need to find someone to respond to their thread. You can choose whomever you would like, but you want to make sure that you find somebody that doesn't have a response to. The best ways to do that is to kind of check your date. Obviously, someone who has posted something several months ago probably already has somebody that replied to their question. Once you have found somebody, you are going to click on that person. On the right-hand side, you will see their thread and you will see their problem. Okay, so for example, here is mine. If you like that problem and you're ready, you click reply. And what's going to happen is you are going to enter your reply underneath right here. Once again, you can type it up in Word or in Notepad and copy and paste it in, or you can just type right here. Remember your netiquette though, and you should be typing in appropriate things. Now, make sure that when you do this that you are following the directions by showing your work and explaining your solution. Remember, there were specific things that you had to do. You had to state the theorem, you had to show your work, and you had to make sure that you explained it as well. Okay? Once again, after you paste this in, okay, hit the submit, And once you do that, it's going to pop up with something like this. And it's going to pop up and ask you if you would like to remove it or modify it. If you don't, then copy and paste it in as your response. Now remember, this is on your S1 collaboration reflection comments. Remember, we pasted in the first part. You're going to want to copy and paste that second part, okay? That shows that you actually did it and that you responded to somebody. All right, don't worry, you're almost there. Part 3 and the last part. At the very top of your collaboration reflection, there are questions that you need to answer. On the bottom, you put questions and you basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you answer those questions. Now remember, describing and explaining is more than just one sentence, so make sure that you're actually doing a really good job. After you have your response, and you have the questions all typed up and ready to go, then go ahead and click the Submit for Grading. And you are done. Hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please remember to reach out to your teacher. Have a great day.